Okay, darling, with all that slang, you all have a pair of pumps that are just too tight for you and they hurt your feet. What exactly do you do in this situation? Auntie Mimi got you. Get you a pair of socks like these, or any type of sock that you have in your closet, honey. Put on your sock, put your shoes back on. After that, I'm gonna show you something. Hold on, boo. Hold on. Keep it locked here. Then you get yourself a blow dryer, honey. Okay, I got this one from Walmart. Turn on your blow dryer and literally blow dry the corners of your shoes. That takes off some of the adhesive that's in adhesive. Woo, my African accent coming out, honey. Okay, that takes off some of the glue, the adhesive that's in the pumps. So you walk around, your kitchen with the shoe a little bit, then you take it off. It should work out almost immediately. And then take off the socks and put your shoes back on, honey. Yes, it's time to slay again. Hello. Okay, let's get into these. Do you have a pair of pumps that's super cute? These are Christian Sirianos. Yes, honey. But these shoes hurt me so bad. I'm a 6.5, but man. So these are the type of shoes that once you take it off, you literally have blisters all over your feet. Your feet either turn black, it turn pink, it turn red, depending on what your race is. Okay. So what you do is, hey, beautiful. Hi, handsome. It's Miata here. Just wanted to remind you to please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button so we can continue on with this video. The video will not continue until you press the button. Kindly please press the button. Press the subscribe button. Thank you. You get yourself a deodorant of any choice. Now rub the deodorant around the perimeter of your feet. Just like that. Don't come for my toes. Focus on a bigger picture. Okay, so rub the deodorant around the perimeter of your feet. Also, it makes your feet smell good too. And then put it right back in your shoes. And you can go hours and hours with your shoes on. And when you take off your shoes, you will not see those blisters. I promise you. As we all know, the weather is changing and we're fastly approaching the fall season, autumn. So we all have these amazing sweaters. I actually got this one. This one is thrifted. I got this a while ago. I've had this sweater maybe over 2 years now. But what I don't really like about it is the fuzz balls that I find on it. And we have these things that are on our sweaters after a while. You put them in a washing machine and things happen. But today we're going to figure out how to get these fuzz balls off your sweaters without destroying your sweater. I know some people say, oh, take a scissors and pull at it, but that can literally unravel your whole sweater and spoil it. But Auntie Mimi got the answer. Get yourself a fresh, clean pair of scissors. Of razor. Make sure it's very sharp. And then once you have that, see the blade? This one comes with 2 blades. I got this one from Dollar Tree. Nothing too bougie. And then you literally just shave off the fuzz balls and you will be completely fine, sis. I got you.